Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope we're doing well. So in today's tutorial I'm gonna do something more soft and still wearable but with a little bit of color, and I really hope that you like it. And if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching and let's get started. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you still didn't. Hit the notification bell to make sure that you get all the news when I upload it, and also like this video if you did. So I'm gonna start off applying a primer in my face. I'm using Hangover by Too Faced. This is a refreshing primer and I really love the moisture in my face. So I'm gonna apply just a little bit of product all over my face, massaging really well in circular motions to work the product. About this amount. So now I'm gonna just spread it out. Now I'm gonna apply the foundation. I'm using Ochre by Kat Von D, and this is the second time that I use this foundation and I'm really loving it. So today I'm gonna use this foundation again, and later on I'm gonna do a quick review about it. I really love this foundation because it's a very full coverage product. So I just have to apply a little bit with a damp beauty blender and I have an amazing effect in my skin. So till this moment I'm really loving it. The shade that I'm using is Light Cool, and the purpose of this foundation is to cover even your tattoos, so this is why it's really full coverage without looking like I have a lot of product in my face. So I just have to apply a little bit of product and done. Now I'm gonna apply concealer, and this is Born This Way by Too Faced in the shade Fair. I'm gonna blend this concealer in my skin using the same damp beauty blender. I love this concealer because it's very moisturizing and has coconut water infused in the formula. It's amazing. So this blender is too fat and I can't really get into the corners of my eyes, so I'm gonna just press it a little bit like this, and then I'm gonna try to finish off. It works. And now I'm gonna contour my face using the contour stick by Artistry, and I really love this stick so much. I just find again in my things because I had this contour stick from a long time ago and I forgot that I had it because I have not been using lately. I just broke the tip a little bit, but now I fixed it, and today I'm gonna use this product to contour my face again. Using the same blender, I'm gonna just blend the product, and look how easy it is. This product has a great formula and blends really well in the skin. It's so easy to blend, and I can blend really fast with the product in the right place to contour my face. The formula is amazing and gives a really natural and beautiful finish. And now to set everything in my face, I'm gonna use the powder Lock It by Kat Von D as well, with the brush, large powder brush by Sigma. So I already did this side of my eyes and now I'm gonna do the other side with you guys, and I'm gonna start off applying the eyeshadow base paint pots of Ochre by MAC. I love this color so much because it's really helpful to hide all the bluish tones of my skin. So I'm gonna apply just a little bit with a shader brush. And now I'm gonna apply this eyeshadow base all over the lid, a little bit below my brows to highlight, and also in the lower lash line of my eyes. And to create this makeup look, today I'm gonna use the Ultimate Artistry palette by BH Cosmetics. This palette is so good and stunning. I can create a lot of makeup looks. I can mix the colors. Look at this amazing palette. Oh my god, the colors are so beautiful and I can create a lot of different combinations. I can mix the colors and create amazing makeup looks. I really love it, and the eyeshadows are so pigmented. So this is the look that I came out today. So I'm gonna start off using this pale eyeshadow below my brows in the brow bone just to highlight a little bit and to make this look matte. Next, using a fluffy brush, I'm gonna use a warm brown eyeshadow in the outer corner of my eyes, blending to my crease. Using the same brush as before, I'm gonna apply a warm brown eyeshadow, and this is a lighter shade. I'm gonna blend above of the first shade that I applied before. Using a smaller blending brush, I'm gonna apply a warm brown eyeshadow, and this is a medium shade. I'm gonna place this color in the outer corner of my eyes and blend in circular motions to my crease. And now, using the same brush, I'm gonna apply a darker color in the same place just to create more depth in my eyes. Using a shader brush, I'm gonna place this beautiful pink shade all over the lid. Using a little angled brush, I'm gonna apply just a little bit of black eyeshadow in the lower lash line, and I'm using the brush A06 by Sigma. This is one of my favorites to line my eyes and create precise lines. In the lower lash line with a shader brush, I'm gonna apply a Pigment by MAC, and this is the shade Misty Season Cool. I don't know if this pigment is still available, but the color is this one. Is so beautiful and I really love it, but I never find any link to show you guys. Now at the third act of my eyes, I'm gonna apply a pale beige eyeshadow to highlight a little bit, and to apply the shade, I'm gonna use a pencil brush. I'm gonna use the same shade in the brow bone. For blush, I'm gonna use Love Flush by Too Faced, this one, and the shade that I'm using is Justify My Love. Oh my god, this is so pretty, look at this. I'm gonna apply this blush with the same brush that I was applying powder in my face, and I'm gonna be careful because it's pigmented. So I already applied my fake lashes, and this is Wispy is Real Good by Velour Lashes. Look at these amazing lashes. You can use my code MELVELOUR for 15% off in velourlashes.com. And now I'm gonna apply the highlighter in my face. I'm gonna use this little palette by Gerard Cosmetics. I love this palette because I have 3 of the best shades, and I'm gonna use this one, which is Grace, one of my favorite highlighters because it's the most perfect for my skin shade that is so pale. So I'm gonna apply using a brush. It's here. So the brush that I'm gonna use is High Cheekbone by Sigma. So pretty. I love this highlighter so much. It's one of the best for me. So I'm gonna apply a little more because more is more sometimes. So I also have a coupon code in georgecosmetics.com if you need it, and this is Melissa GC for 30% off in any purchase in georgecosmetics.com if you want to get something. They have amazing highlighters, and the liquid lipsticks are the best. I really love it. I'm gonna highlight a little more my face in the highest point. And for brushes, if you want to get something, you can use Melissa SB in sigmabeauty.com for the best brushes ever. And for lipstick, I'm gonna use 2 products today. I'm gonna use this lipstick by Lipland, and this is the shade Orion. It's amazing. It's kind of pinkish nude. I really love this color. And right on top, I'm gonna apply this lip gloss by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the shade Sunset Street. And that's it for this look, my lovies. I really love how it turned out. I really hope that you enjoyed it as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you still didn't. Hit the notification bell to make sure that you get all the news when I upload it. Like this video if you did, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Bye!